everyone, and welcome to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy, and I am so glad that you are joining me today because I am making the best blueberry muffins ever. These muffins are absolutely to die for. They have a delicious streusel topping. Blueberry muffins are one of my very favorites. So I'm excited to share this recipe with you, so let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the little notification bell so you'll know as soon as I upload a new delicious recipe. All right, so now I'm just gonna go over all these ingredients with you. Okay, to make my muffin batter, I have 2 cups of an all-purpose flour, and to this I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of a Greek-style yogurt, a half a cup of oil, 3 teaspoons of a baking powder, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I have around 2 cups of fresh blueberries. You can use frozen blueberries if you want, just make sure that they are thawed before you add them to your batter. And then for the streusel topping, I have 1 cup of flour, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter to make the streusel topping. So to make the streusel topping, I'm just going to blend together my flour, sugar, and cinnamon. And then I'm going to add in my 1 stick of melted butter. Just stirring this all together until it's kind of crumbly. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is in a medium-sized bowl, I'm going to combine my sugar and my 2 eggs. And then I'm just going to whisk by hand the sugar and eggs together until they're a nice pale yellow. Okay, so next I'm just going to add my oil and my yogurt. And my vanilla extract. And then I'm just going to stir this until it's all combined. Okay, so next I'm going to take just about a tablespoon of this flour and just kind of toss it in with these blueberries. This will just keep the blueberries nice and evenly distributed within the batter. I can't even talk, sorry. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the rest of my ingredients, my 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and then just a good pinch of salt, just stirring that together. And then I'm going to switch from my whisk to a rubber spatula, and I'm just going to add the wet ingredients to the dry. Okay, so now I'm just going to Okay, so now I'm just going to lightly spray then a muffin tin that I have large ice cream muffin liners in, and I'm just going to lightly spray them just so that the muffin cup And I like to have big, full. Okay, and next what I'm doing is I'm just taking this delicious streusel topping and I'm just piling it on top of these muffins. This just really just puts these muffins over the top. Now just look at these gorgeous muffins. Okay, then I'm just going to bake these in a 375-degree oven. Oh my goodness, these blueberries look beautiful. I wish that you could smell my kitchen right now because it smells heavenly. Just check out the streusel topping on this muffin. And these muffins are packed full of blueberries. They are absolutely delicious. I cannot wait for you to try them. But I want oh my goodness. The muffin is tender, flavorful. You're gonna fall in love with these muffins. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful